afternoon. I am Ella Ikafe from 2ABS Ed English, and now it's been 12:30 in the afternoon, and it's been May 6, 2026. And now we will be having our leisure time together with my nephew and niece, and we will be having a short time to jump through singing in our video game. Let's go!
So, ayan na nga. Nagsimula na kaming mag-set up ng aking pamangkin. Yan. Una namin sinaksak ay yung TV, sunod yung DVD, and the platinum. Yan. At nabuksan na nga ang TV at malapit na kaming mag-karaoke. So, yan. Presenting. This is not a, sponsored. We are using the TCL TV. So, yan. Ayan ang pamangkin ko. Hindi ko kamukha, no? Hindi po! So, yan. Pasayaw-sayaw na. Kaso nung una is hindi pa gumagana yung microphone. Kaya nagkaroon kami ng technical problem. But, kinaya naman. At gumana naman ng So, yan. Sayaw-sayaw pa siya. Yan yung aking pamangkin na babae. So, yan. Siya ang unang kakanta. Presenting from the Lipay Milaor, Aljeyak Kapi.
Isip mo ngayon, tinumpi, mawawala, nalilito, ang tulad mo'y parang sok, unti-unti, nakalaro, tanging ganun lamang sa'yo, nakaraan na'y tanggapin, at ang ngayon na'y harapin, ang bukas mo'y darating pa, kaya huwag sanang damdamin.
You're gonna feel love of our singing competition. I think that because we have something to look at and we will go to sleep because it's been 1:30 or it's been almost